name's Cash Peachin. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager with PICO Builders and Remodelers, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about our outdoor lighting division. Everyone knows that PICO is a design builder. We do a lot of high-end room additions and remodels and even custom homes. And one thing that always comes up at the end of all these projects is landscape and outdoor lighting. A lot of people spend so much money on their landscape and their house, and that's your pride and joy, that's your everything, that's where you go every night. Why not enhance the elegance of your home at night? Outdoor lighting can actually increase the value of your house up to 15%. It's going to increase security. Obviously, it's going to make your house beautiful at night. You'll be able to showcase all this money you've spent on this home and this landscape. Step one, we're going to come out, we're going to meet with the customer, we're going to find out what they're wanting, and then we're going to put our professional spin on it. Step two, we'll go back to the office, we'll sit down, we'll design everything. Step three, you give us the go-ahead, we come out and we install your system. We actually will put a warranty on these lights. We'll come back 1 to 4 times a year, we'll take care of them, we'll service them, clean them, and then at nighttime with the customer, we will come out and do a readjustment and just make sure they're hitting all the right places. So if you're in the Wichita area and you're interested in high-end outdoor lighting, give PICO Builders and Remodelers a call.